Pinkies. Can you put the ball?
Brad, look.
Let me see. Whoa. Your turn. Whoa. Hit it. Woohoo. Good hit, Bren. Get the ball. Let me see. Whoa. Strike one. Strike one. Do it again. Two hands.
Swing it.
You practicing? Whoa. That was a practice swing. Here we go. Good hit, Brennan. Good job, baby. Whoa. Hit it. Whoa. Is that a bunt? Like a slap bunt. One hand slap bunt. Whoa. Backwards bat. Whoa. Good swing, Brennan. Daddy gets you all the cool toys, huh? There you go. Whoa! That's a big swing. Bunt. Boo! Foul ball. Good job, Brennan. Whoa, that was a hack right there.